Girls, welcome to Dave's shop. I'm Dave. On this channel is where I do different projects out here in my shop. I also do tool reviews, so if that's something you'd like, I ask you to subscribe, share with your friends, and so let's move on. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Ryobi half-inch belt sander. We're going to unbox it, see what it comes with, and just kind of go over the features today. So let's get this unboxed here. Let's see. Alright, so this is the tool and only the tool. It does not come with a battery. It comes with the manual, owner's manual, and nothing else there. Set that underneath here. It does come with 3 belts. So let's look at here. Alright. This mini Ryobi sander here comes with 3 belts. Comes with a 60 grit, 80 and a 120. I've got the 80 on here now. I want to show you real quick. This is the adjustment for if you need to change a belt. There's no special tools needed. You just flip the lever up, turn it over, and you can see the belt slides right off. Take whatever belt you want to change it to. Make sure it slides all the way down below the plastic, and then it lines right up. You take it over here and you tighten it back down. There you go. Now this adjustment here gives you a left and right, so you know, to make sure that you have it straight. If you loosen it, you can see how it gives you some space right here, and then it's over to one side to the right, or you can tighten it back down till it stops right there, and then that gives you a good straight saw there. It does have a variable speed switch here on top, so you can go to the top for fast speeds, you can slow it down. It also has a switch here that you can pull the trigger and lock. If I can make it lock. There you go. So then you can actually hold the sander and go ahead and sand. So there you go. You can also, with this 4Ah battery, you can stand it up and actually take a piece. I'm going to demonstrate here in a second how you can do that. If you pull the switch, it kicks the lock out and shuts the sander down. This sander will run for 90 minutes with a 4Ah battery. You know, this is one of those sanders, I'm not sure that you would ever really run it non-stop for 90 minutes because it's kind of a on-off type of deal. It's used for sanding, doing what I call precision sanding, like in tight places. If you're installing the doorknobs on a new door, you can use it on some of your tools for cleaning up and sharpening the blade, and I want to show you that next. I want to show you one of the things where you'll see these sanders used. As you see on a cutout, you can clean these up. This is where if you'll see where it's rough right there, you just kind of saw this, sand that really well. Sand the edges if you want. You can see how that smooth that out some. Now they call this a sander and also what they call what I call a file, because you can sand wood with it, but you can also use it like a file. And I'm going to show you this on a pair of shears of mine, what you can use it for. Let me turn it around here. So you can kind of use it to sharpen the edge of these. Let's flip it here on the other side so you can see this side, what it does to the blade. See how you clean up that right off those shears. Really versatile tool. I like to use this on my shears because it's just really lightweight. It's quick to clean it up. Give it a little edge there. So that way, you know, next time I get ready to use it, you'll see I've got a good edge. I can also, like, not putting an edge on it, but just cleaning some of the sap off. These are used also like for auto body, for removing rust and that type of stuff. I've seen it used in antique restoration on furniture. So it's kind of a, it's a really unique tool. It's not something maybe you would use every day, but if you work with wood and you have some lawn tools and shears and stuff, this could be fairly handy to have around. One of the things that I do occasionally when I have small woodworking projects that I'm working with, this will stand on the battery alone, and I'll put a clamp on it to hold it in place and then lock the switch. And you have basically a mini belt sander that's stationary that you can use for doing some of your smaller projects where you can actually hold the piece while you're sanding. So it works really good here. Guys and girls, thanks for joining the channel tonight. If you like this review, make sure you hit the like button. It really helps me on YouTube. By the way, today is my 61st birthday, so what would really be neat is for everyone to give me a like. I'd like to get 61 likes in the next 24 hours if that's possible. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.